Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We are working on a 2016 GMC Denali 2500 HD. We wrapped it in Avery's Purple Metallic, Matte Purple Metallic. We went ahead and did all the emblems, and basically all the chrome was done with satin black. We hand laid over 3,000 Swarovski crystals on the two GMC emblems. The sun's directly overhead, so I don't know. There you go. But we did the front and back emblems. We went ahead and did the mirrors in the purple as well. Just get a 6-inch lift on it. It's 35 XDs. We're switching out the chrome step sides for some black ones, so she'll be back in for that. Went ahead and did the crystals on the back here. It's in the shadow, so normally this thing blinks like crazy. Satin black everything. When we did this truck, everything was broken down. We took the front and back bumpers off completely, which gave us the went ahead and wrapped inside of there. Everything's done in one piece. There's no seams in this truck. We actually took the bed off. We went back here a lot further than we normally would. Normally we'd cut around the corner. We actually were to go able to that first little dip, so we went back pretty far. We took all the door handles off completely, so everything's wrapped below it. We didn't cut around anything. The mirrors came off. We were able to get right behind here. This whole entire front bumper was taken apart completely. All of these parts below here were taken off one by one. Each one of these sensors were popped off, taken out. They're all individually wrapped. These little inserts here were taken out and wrapped in satin black. The grill was removed, of course. Headlights were taken out. All the fender wells here, all these little all this trim around here was taken off. You know, that way we get everything behind and in. We won't have any kind of peeling or coming up or anything like that. So this one came out really sweet. But if you're around here in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. You can check us out on Instagram at AudioDesign75. We actually have some custom boxes for these too as well, enclosures. They're molded to match the contour of the suite on the seat, so they're really nice enclosures. They're on our website, store.audiodesigncg.com, so give us a call.